Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nafata Betty Musa. I am from the Faculty Department of Town and Regional Planning and the Faculty of Architecture Planning and Survey. So, my matric number is 202121105081. So this is my introduction. The main focus in this assignment is to ensure students to build on the empty site to fill with appropriate land use. For example, put a residential, commercial, public facility, infrastructure and utility, open space and transportation. The total area given is 26.91 acres. In addition, it needs to devise a concept to facilitate the work of place in the given area. Other than that, a student can be improved the skill in using AutoCAD application and able to sharpen a student talent. The aim to determine is a piece of land use is suitable for the building for residential neighborhood. Objective is in order to establish a new resident neighborhood development, it is necessary to analyze the potential and a restriction in the study region, and to locate a specific region on the property that is suitable for the creation of a resident neighborhood. I will continue my slide with my team is from the gorgeous of my class in year 1, 9, 45 years. The concept is Islamic neighborhood. Islamic neighborhood is a concept in which the surah serves as the focal point of the neighborhood residence sector. Surah will serve as a social educational center in addition to be a place to pray. So I continue my slide with a layout for the housing for my resident. So the resident area for the detached house is on the upside, which has a total of unit 32 units, and the measure is 4.56 acres. And the resident area for the semi-detached house is on the left side, which the total of the 66 unit, and the measuring 6.34 acres. And the housing area for the terrace house is lower with 102 units, and the measuring is 3.74 acres. So the total for all residential area around is the open space and commercial area. And for the next slide is a road survey for my layout. Each road employ 7.50 acres with 27.8 to connect each residential, commercial, open space and public facility in order to improve and smooth the flow of the residential neighborhoods without any risky activity. And continue with the open space resident layout. It can make it easier for residents to undertake activities such as running, exercise, and other activity in a safe manner because it is located in the heart of residential area. The open space is 27 acres in size and can accommodate residents day-to-day and commercial. So the shop house is in the right of the street. The house on the left is a semi-detached, while the property on the right is a terrace house. So residents will have an easier access to a daily necessity than to the shop house. So the shop house had a total of 26 units, 3.8% and was a 1.02 acre in size. And continue with public facilities. A public facility surah is a Muslim-only area. The surah is situated between a terrace house and semi-detached house. To develop the concept of an Islamic neighborhood, this surah is situated in the middle of the other dwelling. The surah comprises a total of units and a measuring area of 0.5 acres. Continue my slide and presented with infrastructure and utility. So the primary goal of our wastewater treatment is to hasten natural cleansing processes. Waste treatment is separated into two stages, primary and secondary, which is as explained in this article. In the first place, solids are allowed to settle and removed from the wastewater. The sewage treatment facility had a total of 1 unit and was a 0.5 acres in size. So to ensure adequate energy supply, TMB will deliver electricity to all types of homes, commercial houses, public facility, infrastructure, and utilities. So the TNB has a total 1 unit with a measurement of 0.05 acres. So I put on this slide is my finishing of residential layout plan to see. I hope you enjoy with my plan and I can give some good information to the all students from my presented today. Continue with the last slide. I will close my slide with a conclusion. So as a result of the task, students should have a concept to ensure that the development you want is a planned and safe to avoid access for the accident. In addition, the position of the road, which must be 90 degrees perpendicular, can be seen in the detail. Students, on the other hand, will concentrate on the safety of residents on the roadways. So thank you. That's all from me. No, for having me,